The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County in northeastern Nebraska, southwestern Pierce County in northeastern Nebraska, southern Antelope County in northeastern Nebraska, north central Boone County in northeastern Nebraska, until 8:30 a.m. At 7:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Greeley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Neely and Oakdale around 8:05 a.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Madison, and Pierce.
Strengthen into a hurricane sometime today. An attempt at